Hey guys, it's Gina back here, and I was going to go ahead and show you the rest of my chicken and stuffing mix dish. I looked at the date on my gravy, and it was October the 19th of 2019, so I had to toss that. It was good organic gravy, but it was way past the date and stuff. Anyway, I do have this. This is great value turkey gravy. It's not organic, but it's still within date. The date on this is October the 25th of this year. You add that to 1 cup of cold to lukewarm water. And then I've already got the 1 cup of water in my pan here. So I added that. And you just kind of whisk it together to get the lumps out. And what I do with mine is I just put mine on about medium heat. And in my pan that I am reusing, I've got my 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I cut up that came from the food pantry this morning. And you all saw that pack. It had 3 of the boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I just took it and I chopped them up. And what I'm doing now at this point is I am browning those. And I just went ahead and decided I'm going to just use the same skillet. Because it already had some of that butter in it. And as you can see, I have little chunks. Instead of leaving them in the larger pieces, I just cut them down. It helps it to spread over the dressing better this way. The dressing I took, and after it had absorbed the turkey stock from earlier and the eggs and the poultry seasoning, what I did was I went ahead and put that into a glass 9x13 Pyrex baking dish. Because this dish is going to go into the oven. I also have 1 can of the Campbell's Cream of Mushroom, reduced sodium or heart healthy or whatever it is, that kind, and stuff. That's something we also got at the food pantry this morning. I thought so far the only thing that I could not attribute to the food pantry is the turkey stock. The rest of this and the gravy mix, those are the 2 things. But predominantly I have, used that. And the half an onion. Sometimes I do get onions there and sometimes I don't, but it's been a while since we got any bags of produce or like onions or a sack of potatoes or anything like that. Normally those only come about the time for the holidays, Thanksgiving or Christmas. Normally the rest of the year, if you need that stuff, you're going to buy it out of your own pocket, and potatoes are expensive. Now to go with that, I also have set out a pack of instant mashed potatoes. Why instant mash? Because that's what I've got. Anyway, I'm waiting on this chicken to brown, and it shouldn't be too much longer. And I've got the turkey gravy mix on. That is also going to go into this dish as well. I like to cook my chicken ahead of time. Some people do not. I get that. And they put it on there raw. That's fine. If you want to do that, go for it. I at least like to get it a little bit cooked, where it's starting to at least get, some color of being at least partially cooked. So that it's not going in there completely raw. I just like the flavor of it better that way myself. Also, the gravy, I cooked that ahead of time because I want it to thicken up a little bit. Now, As you can see here, I'm going to show you my pan. My chicken is starting to cook quite a bit, so I'm just keeping it on the heat. Anywho, once the chicken is done and the gravy is done, I will come back with you, and I'm going to show you how to assemble the rest of this dish. Thanks again for watching. This is Gina. See y'all later. Bye-bye.